say. Alright.
Think we can head there now?
You're kidding, right? We have to prepare. Change clothes. Most importantly, buy our masks. I bet you can get everything we need for the ball at Eliel's shop. You know it?
Been there before. Eliel's a friend of Dandelion's. Just masks,
the
right?
lady man.
Probably don't need to wear a doublet, do I?
A doublet, Geralt. And it's not up for discussion. Take care of that, then come and see me.
David Ford! What? Wait, what? What? No mess. What? David Ford, you're crazy. David Ford with the awesome $100 donation. Wow, dude. Thank you so much, man. Holy shit. That is like my all-time top ever. Thank you. Thank you so much.